Alright, I just want to show you how easy it is to use the Kreg concealed hinge jig. It's these European hinges. I'm using the Bloom hinges. Got these online for about 40 cents, I think. Maybe they're $1. I can't really remember. Anyway, super cheap. First thing I do is I start off by clamping the jig here to the door that I'm going to be using. I just use it, make it flush right there, and then drill my pilot holes first. Keep the jig clamped on, then use the Forstner bit. That's that. Let's get the vacuum out the hole. Hinge goes in nice and smooth. And your holes are pre-drilled. Keep everything lined up smooth. There you go. Piece of cake. Couldn't be easier.